It took me 4 years to paint like Raphael, but a lifetime to paint like a child. Told by Pablo Picasso. Yep, turning a simple paper plate into an art canvas, painting, and then making it into a bird feeder. That's what made all these kids very happy and proud of their work of arts. My journey as an art docent for 4th grade. We made aluminum foil sculptures and draw the shadows. It came out so well. This is a long-haired girl with a puppy, a dancer in motion, a walker, a dabber, and Hulk, a runner, a squatter, a Minecrafter, someone is standing against the wind, an alien, a praying person, someone is bending deep. There's so much cuteness. A mom with 2 babies in both her arms. Someone catching a beach ball sitting on a beach chair. I also did self-portraits project for the kids. Look how beautifully and detailed picture the kids have drawn. Tony drew his picture. Look at that. See how beautiful and how wonderful the creations are. I also did a project on movements. The bodily movements like dance, jumping, whatever it is. See how creative the kids are. They came up with so many dance moves, dancing, jumping, all the daily life activities. So on the open house day, all the art projects with the kids were displayed. You know how I felt proud and happy for the parents to see their work, the kids' work. So this is what the class of room 33, grade 4 gave me a lucky jade plant signed by all the kids. It has all the 28 kids of the class. Even it have my kid's name, Tony, you could see it. It's somewhere here, like there it is. I like this gift very, very much. Thank you, 4th graders. Thank you, teacher, for such a wonderful gift. Apart from this, I have done few other projects which I didn't record. This is all the records I have, videos I have. So just made this video for a happy memory for me. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the month of July. Have fun. Bye-bye.